Crypto investing is one of the most volatile investments you can make, but it is also one of the most lucrative investments when done properly. Welcome to Rich Liberation, where we help you turn your dreams into your reality. In today's video, we will reveal the crypto commandments that the wise and successful investors follow. Let's begin. Number 1, always do your own research. Never invest in any cryptocurrency simply because some celebrity influencer is being paid to promote it. Otherwise, you may end up just like the victims of FTX and lose all your money. Number 2, invest in crypto that uses trustless smart contracts. That way, you do not have to deal with middlemen that may not have your best interest in mind. Number 3, invest in crypto that has immutable code. This way, things can't be changed for the worse in the future. Number 4, never invest more than you can afford to lose. All investments have risk and can drop to zero. Number 5, invest in projects that launch fully complete. This will minimize your future risk. Number 6, never use leverage. Most traders that use leverage lose a lot of money, and you do not want to put yourself in this position. Number 7, invest in crypto that has no admin keys. Number 8, invest in crypto that is transparent and permissionless. Number 9, make sure the crypto you are investing in has had a security audit. Number 10, have a long-term plan. Holders are rewarded while traders get wrecked. Number 11, invest in crypto that has no counterparty risk. Number 12, stay focused. If you are not rich yet, it is better to invest in a few solid crypto assets rather than having a little bit spread out amongst several different coins. Number 13, always take 100% responsibility for your actions and the results you get. All successful investors do this. Only the weak, broke, wannabe victims blame others for their actions. Number 14, make sure you hold your own keys. As they say, not your keys, not your coins. When you allow some other third party to hold your keys, such as a centralized exchange, you are putting your money at risk. Never ever do that. Number 15, buy low and sell high. Now this sounds logical and like it would be common sense, but many investors let their emotions control them and do the exact opposite. Once the market drops, they panic and sell. And once the market begins to pump, they get FOMO, fear of missing out, and they buy. Do not let your emotions control your investment decisions. Number 16, DCA, which stands for dollar cost average. Do not try to time the market. Once you have found a crypto asset that meets your criteria, simply invest a small amount each week or month. That way, your investment will average out over time. Number 17, get in as early as possible. The earlier you invest and the longer you hold, the more potential there is for you to earn large profits. Number 18. Take your seed capital out as soon as possible. Once you're in a position to take some profit out and remove your original capital invested, you simply can't lose. Everything from that point forward is pure profit, and you greatly minimize your risks. Well, folks, there you have it. If you have followed these simple but yet highly effective commandments, you will greatly increase your chances of becoming the next very successful crypto investor. Remember, this is not investment advice. Always do your own research. Here at Rich Liberation, we believe that if we can fix the money, we can fix the world. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss our next video. And if you would please kindly comment below and let us know what commandment you like best, or if you would add anything to this list. Until next time, stay rich, stay liberated.